How to see messages without being seen on Messenger? Here's how. First, the easiest way to read a message is from the notification panel. To do this, swipe down from the top of your screen. At this moment, you will be able to read the message directly in the notification bar. However, if you want to read it inside the app without sending a seen notification, follow this method. First, open the Messenger app. Then locate the chat you want to read without being seen. Now press and hold on the conversation. And from the option that appears, select Restrict. Finally, confirm your action. Next, tap the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Now click on the settings icon at the top of the screen. Likewise, scroll down and choose Privacy and Safety. Then choose Restricted Accounts. From here, open the chat. Now you can view the full message without sending the seen status, and that's all. I hope this video helped.